If you ever see this bird with the legs of a spider, do not panic. You see, this bird is nicknamed the Jesus bird and is often known for its ability to walk on water. But why are the jacana bird's legs like this? And why does it look scary? I will tell you the reason why. But first, if you do not want to get bitten by a spider, then like and subscribe within 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It turns out that if you observe, you will notice it has unusually large legs, and the male jacana bird is responsible for raising their chicks, so it will carry them under their strong wings, which makes it look like a spider.